Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to talk about MCQ questions on DC machine, particularly on generator and concept of back EMF, principle of motor, etc. This is part 1. I am going to develop one more part on this part, okay, on this DC generator and initial part of the DC motor. So first question, if residual magnetism of a shunt generator is destroyed accidentally, it may be restored by connecting its shunt field winding, right? So अगर residual magnetism नहीं है आप self excited generator का तो क्या होगा? It will not work. It will not generate the EMF. So how will you make it again? So if you connect to the DC source, because अगर DC field winding को connect करेंगे आप DC source से तो that magnetism will possess the residual magnetism, right? So this is the answer we have. D answer is correct. Sorry. Answer D is correct. Okay. So question number 2. For the voltage buildup of a self-excited DC generator, which of the following is not an essential condition? Which is not an essential condition, right? So first है, there must be some residual magnetism. That is the essential condition. We have given which is not an essential condition, right? Okay. Field winding must add the residual magnetism. Again, that is essential condition. Third, total field circuit resistance must be less than the critical value. Resistance must be less than the critical value. It is a condition. Yes, this is the D answer. Armature speed must be very high. Okay, so that is the answer. It is not the essential condition, right? Question number, say, 3. Question number 3. The mechanical power developed by the armature of a DC motor is equal to the mechanical power developed by the armature. That is the output of armature, right? And that will be converted into armature torque. So armature current, it is a product of armature current multiplied by back EMF. Power input minus losses. Input minus losses, no. Power output multiplied by efficiency, that is input, right? Power output plus iron losses. Power output plus iron losses is the, okay. So mechanical power developed by armature of a DC motor, so that is EB into IA. Yes, that is what EB, that is the back EMF multiplied by armature current, EB into IA, that is the output of armature, right? Mechanical output of the armature is right. This is the answer. A is correct. Question number 4. The voltage build-up process of a DC generator is difficult, delayed, cumulative, and infinite. It is cumulative process. Voltage build-up process of a DC generator is a cumulative process, and within a few seconds it will go up to like that. ऐसा कुछ रहता है. It is the process like that. Clear? And this is the field resistance line. So this will add to the residual magnetism. This process will be continue like that. Clear na? And this process is called as cumulative process. Okay, C answer is correct. Okay, question number 4. Question number 5. Question number 5. The external characteristic of shunt generator can be obtained directly from its internal, open circuit, load saturation, performance. Yes, it is also called as performance characteristic. This is the IL versus terminal voltage VT. As you suppose you are running the machine generator and you are loading it, that is called as performance. So this is like that for shunt motor. It is a performance characteristic, right? Okay. If a self-excited DC generator after being installed fails to build up on its first trial run, the first thing to do so. अगर आपका self excited generator, what is the reason? What is the first reason? Okay, so question का answer क्या है? Increase the field resistance. No, it is not like that. Okay, check armature insulation. No, reverse the, yes, that is the correct answer. रिवर्स द फील्ड कनेक्शन. अगर आपका सेल्फ एक्साइटेड जनरेटर फेल होता है, क्या होता है? इट विल जनरेट द ईएमएफ बिकॉज ऑफ रेसिडुअल मैग्नेटिज्म. दिस विल जनरेट द residual maybe 6 to 5 to 8 volt, and this will supply the current, field current. It will produce the flux, and this flux will add the residual flux. It will add to the residual flux. But अगर इसका कनेक्शन उल्टा है, रिवर्स है, so it will subtract. और सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो टोटल फ्लक्स विल बी रिड्यूस, टोटल वोल्टेज विल नॉट बी मोर देन 5 to 8 वोल्ट, कम होते होते जीरो हो जाएगा. दैट इज आंसर, रिवर्स द फील्ड कनेक्शन. ये काम आपको करना है. अगर इफ इट फेल्स यू हैव टू रिवर्स द फील्ड कनेक्शन. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Question number 7. The field resistance of a DC shunt generator is increased. Its critical value. The generator. अगर आपको मालूम है जनरेटेड वोल्टेज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक आई हैड टेकन मैग्नेटाइजिंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, ऐसा कुछ बताया था आपको. आर वोल्टेज विल प्रोसेस फील्ड करंट versus R field current, or you can say flux versus the generated EMF EA. This is the field circuit resistance line. Clear? Or generated voltage is like this. This is the field resistance line. This line. This is called as field resistance line. Clear? And because of that, this much of voltage will be induced. अगर ये field circuit resistance आपने बढ़ाया, field circuit line ऐसा होगा, it will generate this much of voltage. Field circuit line parallel to this हो गया, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Critical field resistance line. It should be less than that. Clear? So what is the question number 7 का क्या है? Will not build up. A field circuit of a DC shunt generator is increased. Its critical value. इसके ऊपर तो जाने नहीं चाहिए, उसके ऊपर गई कि voltage will not build up. That is a B answer is correct. Okay, question number 8. 8. A DC motor can be looked upon as DC generator with the power flow of, yes, reverse. DC motor can be looked upon as a DC generator with the power flow of, right? So आपका DC shunt generator is like that. Okay. This is VT, this is EB in case of motor, and it will take the current IL. It will take the armature current IA. But if it is a generator, it will generate IA, opposite direction. It will supply the current IL to the line. So it will be reverse, right? So the DC motor can be looked upon as a DC generator with the power flow reverse. Question 8 का B. Okay, question number 9. Question number 9. An ideal DC generator, one that has, an ideal DC generator is one that has,
किसमें रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं?
just wait. An ideal DC generator is one that has low voltage regulation, zero voltage regulation, positive voltage regulation, and D is the negative regulation. So क्या होगा? It should be zero. Ideal DC generator means no drop. Clear ना? It should be zero. But ऐसा होता नहीं है. It should be zero. That is ideal. Question number 10. A. The series generator, the series generator or shunt or compound or over compound generator has poorest voltage regulation. Poorest voltage regulation क्या होता है? वोल्टेज आपने अगर फील्ड करंट और आपने ये किया है EA, it is like that, नियरली 4-5 वोल्ट टू लेके 230 वोल्ट. सबसे कम रेगुलेशन कहाँ होगी? फॉर सीरीज. पूरेस्ट वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन मीन्स सीरीज. ओके, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 का ए इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. The voltage regulation of an over compound DC generator is always. Voltage regulation of an over compound DC generator is always negative, positive, negative. It should be over compound है ना, over compound should will be negative. Question number 11 का, if it is not over compound generator, it is a positive हो सकता है, but it is a negative. For voltage regulation of an over compound DC generator, it is B, negative, right? Which of the following DC generator cannot build up on open circuit? कौन सा जनरेटर built up प्रोसेस फेल हो जाएगी in case of open circuit, right? So in case of question number 12, okay, क्या होगा? ओपन सर्किट बी. अगर ये फील्ड वाइंडिंग कहाँ रहती है? ये आपका सीरीज फील्ड वाइंडिंग है, क्लियर ना? और आपका ये लोड ओपन है. इन केस ऑफ ओपन फील्ड करंट क्या होगा? जीरो. IA 0, IL 0, IF is 0 ओपन सर्किट में, बिकॉज इट इज ऑल दीज थ्री करंट्स आर सेम, क्लियर. और अगर IF 0 है तो फ्लक्स विल बी 0, it will fail, right? So question number 12 का B is correct. Question number 13. Question number 13. The slight curvature at the lower end of the OCC of a self-excited DC generator is due to V versus IA, E versus IA, E0 versus IF field current, and V versus IF. Lowest curvature at the lower end of OCC. OCC कैसा रहता है? Just see here, OCC is like that, field current versus E. Okay, C answer is correct. Open circuit characteristic is field current versus ऐसा रहता है, clear? So this is the E versus IF, right? So okay. Question number 14. The induced EMF in a armature conductor of a DC motor is, induced EMF always sinusoidal. Induced EMF किसी भी मशीन में हो, in motor हो या generator हो या any machine, it is a sinusoidal only, right? Question number 15. In a DC machine, the armature MMF is stationary with respect to armature, rotating with respect to field, stationary with respect to field, rotating with respect to brushes. Okay, you can say in case of DC machine, the armature MMF, you can say the armature MMF, this is the armature, this is the field poles, right? North flux is flowing from north pole to south pole. This is the north pole, this is the south pole. Flux is like that, stationary flux, right? Or armature is rotating. So rotating with respect to armature, MMF is rotating with respect to field. B is correct. Okay, question number 16. Sorry. Okay. Armature MMF. नो 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 नो, आर्मेचर एमएमएफ मीन्स ये क्रॉस है और ये डॉट है, तो ये ऐसा है आर्मेचर एमएमएफ, ये मेन फ्लक्स है, ये आर्मेचर एमएमएफ फाई आर्मेचर, इट इज ऑलवेज स्टेशनरी बिकॉज 90 डिग्री का डिफरेंस रहेगा. सी इज करेक्ट आंसर, नॉट बी, सॉरी. Armature is core is rotating, but armature MMF is not rotating. So armature MMF or armature flux is always in 90 degree out of main flux. So it is stationary. Okay. 15 का C is correct answer. Question number 16. A DC generator has speed of 800 RPM when the developing a 20 delivering 20 ampere to the load at the terminal voltage of 220 volt. If the same machine is running as a motor, it takes a line current of 20 ampere from the 220 volt supply. The speed of the machine as a motor will be. Okay. So you know I have given a speed of generator. Okay. So first of all we will find EG. EG equal to what? VT. VT कितना है? Generator. Let us this is the shunt generator. It is a generator, so it will keep the current IL, IA, IF. E G equal to क्या होता है? VT plus IA RA, right ना? VT plus IA RA. EG equal to. So what is the EG? VT कितना है? 220 volt. Okay. 220 volt. If the same machine is run as a motor, it takes a line current of 20 ampere to 20 volt. The speed of the machine as a motor will be. Okay. Anyway, E is equal to Vt plus IARA, right? M equal to what? Vt minus IARA. Forget it. They are not asking any question. They are asking whether it is more or less, right? So Eg or EM. EB you can say EM or EB you can say. Okay, so this is more, or EG upon EB. EG will be always more than EB, right? Because of this plus sign. Or in case of motor it is minus sign, right? Equal to क्या होता है? N G phi G upon N M phi M. And phi G and phi M will be equal and it will be cancelled, because in case of shunt motor supply voltage constant है 220 volt. तो फील्ड करंट क्या होगा? फील्ड करंट क्या होता है? V अपॉन रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द फील्ड वाइंडिंग, कांस्टेंट रहेगा वो, तो कैंसिल. अभी ये अगर ज्यादा है तो ऑब्वियसली Ng विल बी मोर एज कंपेयर टू Eb. सो Ng विल बी मोर देन Nm. क्लियर ना? विदाउट, आई डोंट वांट एनी कैलकुलेशन. वो ज्यादा या कम पूछ रहा है तो Eg विल बी this is plus, that's why Eg will be more than the Em, because here minus sign is there. So this numerator will be more than this, Ng will be more than Nm. So क्या लिखा? The speed of machine as a motor will be less than 800 rpm. Clear na? So without doing anything you can get it. 16 का C is correct answer. Question number 17. Question number 17. A commutator in a DC machine. Question number 17. A commutator in a DC machine reduces the power loss in the field circuit, converts the induced EMF in AC armature voltage into DC, right? So C answer is correct. Converts AC to DC, right? Question number 18. In a DC generator, armature reaction is produced actually by its field current, armature conductor, field poles, load current. Yes, because as the load increases, IL will increase, IA will increase, or IA will produce a phi A, and it will affect the main flux. Okay, so this will produce the armature MMF, and this will affect the main flux. So this is the D answer is correct. Question number 19. Question number 19, right? Okay, 19. The armature of a DC machine is laminated to reduce eddy current loss. 19 ka A. That is the correct answer. A. Armature. Sorry. A answer is correct, right? Question number 20. Carbon brushes are preferable to copper brushes because they have longer life. Maybe. They reduces the armature reaction. No. They have lower resistance. No. They reduces the sparking. Yes. Sparking कम कर देगा. Question number 20 का D answer is correct. क्यों sparking कम होगी? Because more carbon brushes होंगे in place of copper brushes. तो sparking ये यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Copper का होगा तो friction will be more. Sparking will be more. Okay. So D answer is correct. (21) The value of back EMF in a DC motor is maximum. The value of back EMF EB in a DC motor is maximum. (21) Okay, the value of back EMF in a DC motor is maximum at full load, no load. Yes, no load. That is the correct answer. मान लो शंट जनरेटर है, राइट ना, तो शंट जनरेटर में भी क्या करते हैं हम, अगर इफ यू दिस इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एट नो लोड ई इक्वल टू क्या होता है, पी फाई जेड एन अपॉन 60 ए, और पी जेड 60 ए ऑल आर कांस्टेंट, ई इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू एन फाई. Clear? At no load E equal to Vt upon Rf, that is IF, sorry, IF is equal to what? Vt upon Rf. This is constant, this is constant, so flux, field current, or we can say flux is also constant, so E is proportional to N. और N सबसे ज्यादा कहाँ होगा? नो लोड पे. E is proportional to N because अगर फ्लक्स कांस्टेंट है, सो सबसे ज्यादा E कहाँ होगा? एट नो लोड. E इक्वल टू व्हाट? P phi ZN upon 60A. Okay, so no load. 22. The amount of back EMF of a shunt motor will be increased when amount of back EMF EB is proportional to what? Sorry, EB is proportional to what? N phi. Amount of back EMF of a shunt motor will increase when load is increased? No. Field is, yes, field is strengthened. Yes, जब field बढ़ेगा तो flux बढ़ेगा तो EB बढ़ेगा, right? Field is weakened? No. None of the. Okay, this is the B answer is correct, right? Field बढ़ेगा तो flux बढ़ेगा, flux बढ़ेगा तो EB will increase, right? Question number 23. 23. By looking at which part of motor, it can be easily confirmed that a particular motor is DC motor. 23. यस, कौन सा पार्ट देख के हम कंफर्म बोल सकते हैं डीसी मोटर? कम्यूटेटर अगर है, यू कैन सी द कम्यूटेटर अगर है, राइट, सो इसका मतलब ये क्या है? डीसी मोटर, डीसी मोटर. सो विच पार्ट ऑफ द डीसी मोटर, अगर आप देखें और बता दें कि कौन सी मोटर है, यस कम्यूटेटर अगर है तो यू कैन सी इट इज ए डीसी मोटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. Which of the following law or rule can be used to determine the direction of rotation of the DC motor? Fleming's left hand rule कहाँ है? Yes, you can get the direction of rotation by using Fleming's left hand rule. D answer is correct. Clear? And last question we have 25. Okay, what is the answer? One DC motor drives another DC motor. Right? एक मोटर डीसी दूसरी मोटर को घुमा रही है. The second DC motor when excited and driven, yes, it work as a generator. पहली मशीन अगर आपको डीसी मोटर दूसरी मोटर को घुमा रही है और दूसरी मोटर एक्साइटेड है तो इट इज वर्किंग एज व्हाट? जनरेटर. तो आंसर इज ए. 25 का ए इज करेक्ट आंसर, राइट? सो आई एम रबिंग इट. So I had discussed the 25 questions. One more part I will discuss 25 or 20 questions. If numerical होंगे तो we will discuss 20. Clear? Because हमारे पास time constraints भी है. And that is sufficient to get the knowledge about the DC generator. Okay, so I am stopping here. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, sorry. These are the answer key you can see again. But I had discussed all these answers. Okay, so thank you very much for listening me carefully.